A quiet room filled with IV drips and needles. Patients under blankets undergoing various infusions at the University of Kansas Cancer Center in Lee's Summit.
We'll need this. That ought to do it.
But what's this? Instruments, microphones,
That feels about right.
amps,
There it goes.
music. This is not your typical audience and certainly not your typical venue.
1, 2, 3, 4.
But it's a location musicians Kevin Nibert and Charles Gregg know all too well.
In 2019, I lost a kidney, and after that, it went to my bladder, and I even went to stage 4.
I've been a patient here of Dr. Chuda's since late 2018, and I've been coming here every month since then, so I've been doing treatments all that time.
Kevin and Charles are not only cancer patients here, they're also lifelong friends.
I've known him since he was like 11.
Childhood friends who also performed and played music together for more than 45 years.
I was just a little kid. The guitar was bigger than I when we first started.
I've got memories by the dozen.
And over the decades, they've played for some incredible crowds and opened for some big names.
Garth Brooks, Earl Thomas Conley, the Judds. I did all the big opening acts when they come through Kansas City.
But for years, their playing was on hiatus as each friend faced their own cancer battle.
Chuck and Kevin are both our patients, so we see them often.
And this is where nurse practitioner Alli Bertkin steps onto stage, so to speak. She says she became concerned when she noticed a change in Kevin's once bubbly personality. He began to seem depressed and withdrawn. So Alli had an idea.
I encouraged him or asked him if he would want to play in the infusion room, and he lit up just even thinking about that, and I could instantly see like the normal Kevin again and that personality back in him.
Then she went to her other patient, Kevin's old friend Charles, to see if he was game. It was an instant yes.
What I might be on.
You know, when you're really ill, you can dwell pretty easy, you can get off on the wrong track, but music gives you a serenity that's like no other, and it comes from the heart.
Can't shake the sand in my shoes.
Alli says as music filled the clinic, patients and staff stopped to listen.
Just a fool's holiday.
You could feel the joy, not just in Kevin and Charles, but in everyone, spreading across the room like a wave.
I think music is incredible. I think that everyone can relate to at least some type of music, and live music makes it even better and brings out some happiness, I think.
That was fun. It's kind of boost the morale, and just love to hear music.
It wasn't just a one-off. Now Kevin and Charles perform for fellow infusion patients here on a regular basis.
The heart can reflect memories.
I think if I didn't have the music in my life, I just wouldn't be near who I am and where I'm at. It's kind of what's kept me going through.
Is it simply music?
I'm painting it too.
These musicians will tell you it's also their medicine.
Thank you. That's one of our originals.